Hello guys, it's Kane again. So, I'm doing a bike check today with Jayden, who's going to say hello now.
2016, hello, I'm Jayden.
Yeah, bike check 2016, here we go. Okay, so, starting from the top, I've got Colt Vans grips, with Colt Vans grips bar ends, obviously. I've got Odyssey brake lever and Odyssey gyro kit. I've got Fit Benny 2 8.25 bars. I've got a S&M Redneck Extra Light stem. I've got a Fit Benny 2 frame and Fit Benny 2 forks. I've got Revenge rims, lace 2 hubs that I don't know what they are. I've got 2 United indirect tyres, front and back. I've got just stock cranks, Fit cranks. I got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I've got a Stranger fat seat pivotal, Native American pattern. I've got a Fit pivotal seat post. I got Odyssey brake things, I don't know what they're called. I got a KMC gold chain, a Fit 25 tooth sprocket. I've got Revenge rims, lace 2 stock hubs, I don't know what they are. And it's a 8 tooth drive on the back. Done, I think. That's everything.
Hey guys, Jayden here. I'm going to do my bike check. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so starting at the top, I got my ODI bar ends with animal grips, they're soft, like them. I got the new Flight GO10 bars in matte black. And then for the brake lever and brake cable, I got United black ones. And for the stem, I got United stem Z, I think it's called. And then I've got United headset, then United forks in black. For the frame I got United 2015 Recruit frame, just put different stickers on it. And for the seat I got We the People Curse seat. And for the tyres, front and back, I got United direct tyres, black on white. And black rims, and yeah, I like them. For the pedals I got Odyssey Twisted PC limited edition red Galaxy pedals, they look good. For the cranks I got United black 2015 cranks. And what else? For the hubs I got black United hubs with just customized valve caps. And for the chain I got black KMC chain, pretty good. And I think that's all. Hope you enjoyed.
Bottle full of rock, if your bitches on my ship.